be firm with your dream. Sino sa inyo rito may mga pangarap sa buhay? Taas mo ang kamay. You have a dream in your life. Ayan. Please be firm with your dream. Why? Because the path to your dream is not a straight line. It is not like this. Akala ng iba, pag meron kang pangarap, gusto ko magtagumpay, nandoon, nais ko makuha ang pangarap na yan. Galing ako dito, papunta doon. Isang straight line lang yan. Hindi ho. Kung napansin nyo na sa buhay niyo, ganito po ang path to your dream. What it really looks like. Di ba? Aandar ka, biglang aatras ka. Aba, umiikot-ikot. Aba, ang tagal pa. Ang lapit na. Natutumba ka, babango ka, pabalik ka pa. Ano nangyayari? Ganyan ho. That is why you need to be firm with your dream. Remember, the dreams in your heart were written by God Himself. Kaya pag may sinulat ng Diyos sa puso mo na pangarap mo, ikinasa niya lahat ng talents mo, past mo, hurts, joys, everything to fulfill that dream. You need to do that, but you have to be firm. Why? Because it is not a straight line to your dreams. Can you tap your friend beside you? Sige na, sabihin mo sa kanya, be firm with your dreams. If you are not firm, you will not pursue your dreams. You will stay where you are because you will be very, very disappointed. Nako, pag may pangarap ho, ang daming kontrabida. Maraming magdi-disappoint sa inyo. At ang isa na to, minsan yung mga mahal mo pa sa buhay. Tama o tama? Sabi nung anak doon sa mami niya, Mami, gusto ko po paglaki ko maging doktor. Doktor. Alam mo, sagot ng nanay, naku anak, doktor, hindi mo kaya, mahina utak mo, para kang tatay mo. Nadama yung tatay, di ba? Diba? Mahal mo pa yung kumontra sa'yo. O yung babae, lumapit sa mami niya, sabi niya, Mami, pangit ba ako? Pangit ba ako? Alam mo, sabi nung nanay, anak, itanong mo yan sa boyfriend mo. Sabi niya, wala po akong boyfriend. Sabi nung nanay, exactly. Diba? Daming kontra. Ang mahirap at ang masakit, ang kontra, yung mga mahal mo pa sa buhay. Naku, buti kung yun lang. Minsan naglalakad ka, positive ka, I can do everything. Biglang nakita mo yung billboard na ito, nalito ka tuloy. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ay, naku. Sino ba gumawa nito? Diba? Kung nandito ka sa kabila, just do nothing. Pag doon ka sa kabila, it is impossible. Diba? Pero pag binasa mong diretso, just do it. Nothing is impossible. Kaya lang nagkamali lang ng direksyon. Ano? Doon niya nilagay sa corner ng kalye. Ay, nako. That is why you need to be firm with your dreams. Ito pa. Even your own thinking will discourage you. May pangarap ka pero kinakausap mo sarili mo at sinasabi, hindi kaya yan. Mahirap yan. Ikaw na mismo kumukontra sa sarili mo. Gusto kong magpapayat. Kaya lang, eto na, sabi mo. O, tingnan nyo, anong sabi mo? Siguro kaya tayo tumataba. Kasi pag sinasabi natin magda-diet na tayo, kinakain din natin yung sinasabi natin. Di ka talaga umabot, di ba? Yung talagang gusto kong biglang, 6 weeks of diet, 2 days of cheat. Kaya, your own thinking will discourage you. Meron pa, even your own feelings will contradict you. Yung nararamdaman mo, there will be times in your life as you pursue your dreams that your feelings will contradict your faith. Meron yan. Darating yan. Naniniwala ka, kinakanta mo pa, pero yung pakiramdam mo parang iba. And this is my suggestion to you. Please acknowledge your feelings. but don't follow your feelings. Bakit? Tingnan niyo po ako ha. Lahat tayo to ha. Walang exempted. Ang feelings ng tao, very erratic. Up and down. Up and down. Tingnan nyo, balikan nyo yung buhay nyo. Di ba, minsan gigising ka, ang saya mo, nakangiti ka, galing ako sa office kahapon, grabe si brother Aaron, ang gwapo talaga. Yung gano'n, no? Tapos biglang mamayang gabi, bumababa yan. Bakit? Nahihirapan ka na eh. Di ba? Tapos bukas gigising ka, bago na naman, iba na naman. Tapos erratic. Up and down, up and down. Once you follow that, lagot ang buhay mo. Acknowledge it. Acknowledge what you feel, but do not follow your feelings. Instead, follow your faith. Follow your faith. You know, some of you might be here today and your feelings are telling you this. Give up. Wag na. Gumibap ka na sa pangarap mo, layo niya. Tingnan mo itsura mo, hindi ka baga, kinatay mo, sinasabi mo sa sarili mo. Ano ba? You will never have that. You are a loser. Naku, yun yung feeling, no? You will never have a boyfriend. Exactly. Diba? Yun yung pakiramdam mo. You are hope. But this is what I want to tell you. Please, hold on to your faith. Because your faith is telling you the truth. And what is that? You are a winner, you're a conqueror, and you have the victory in Jesus. Kakakanta pa lang natin kanina. Kaya acknowledge your feeling, but you cannot just follow it. Remember this, your feelings are your friends, but they can never be your masters. They are friends. Kaibigan mo yung lungkot, yung saya, but they should never be your masters. Yes, listen to your feelings. But your feelings is not you. Sabi nga nila, your feelings are the windows to your soul. Yes, but they are not your soul. So what do? Listen to your faith. When your feelings and your faith contradict each other, naglalaban-laban na, please, listen to your feelings. Acknowledge them. Accept them. But follow your faith alone. Are you getting this? Hindi ko sinasabi, itabi nyo yan. Di yan tama. Uy, hindi. Niyayakap yan lungkot. Kaya pag malungkot ka, iyak ka. Lungkot ka eh. Alangan naman, wag daw umiyak. Ibalik ang luha. Diba? Hindi, iyak ka. Wag lang masyado matagal. Nasaktan ka, malungkot, wag lang masyado matagal. But follow your faith because you can trust God because God's promise will come true. Amen? Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabi mo, follow your faith.